Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to view all answers in a Google form. Follow this tutorial carefully to understand the process. Please note that this method applies to forms you have access to as the creator or editor and may not work for every type of question or test. Start by opening your Google form in a web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Once the form is open, look at the top of the page. You will see different tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Others. Click on the Responses tab. This is where all the answers submitted to your form are stored. Under the Responses tab, you will see three different views: Summary, Question, and Individual. Each view offers a different way to analyze the responses. Start with the Summary view. This provides an overview of all the responses, including graphs and charts for questions where applicable. It is useful for quickly identifying trends or seeing how many people selected specific options. Next, switch to the Question view. This view allows you to focus on one question at a time. You can scroll through your form and see all the responses for each question individually. If your form contains multiple choice or drop-down questions, you will see how many people chose each option. If you want to view responses on a more detailed level, click on the Individual view. In this mode, you can go through each respondent's answers one at a time. Use the arrows or navigation bar to move between individual responses. This is especially helpful if you want to review specific answers or identify patterns in the data. For a more detailed analysis or to save the responses for later use, you can export the data to Google Sheets. To do this, click on the green Google Sheets icon in the Responses tab. This will open a spreadsheet with all the submitted answers, organized by respondent and question. If you prefer, you can download this spreadsheet as an Excel file or a CSV for offline use. Remember that Google Forms responses are stored securely. If you are not the owner of the form, you will not be able to access the Responses tab unless you have been given permission to do so. That is how you view all answers in a Google form. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.